NASA investigates mysterious activity on nearby asteroid BENNU, and it's left scientists baffled. We know that we have the OSIRIS-REx mission involving asteroid BENNU. It's one of the asteroids that is considered potentially hazardous for Earth, and we are supposed to be collecting samples from there to bring back to Earth to see how we can mitigate that. It's by Ollie Smith on Express UK. Now there's more surprises. Top scientists from NASA admit they're baffled by a mysterious eruption taking place on the surface of the asteroid that passes closest to our Earth. It's between Earth and Mars. NASA admitted they have no clue why this nearby asteroid is expelling mysterious material. It's ejecting it, and they are wondering why. For the past year, NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft has been circling the large asteroid BENNU, taking pictures, and eventually it's going to try and get a sample from the surface, even though the surface is jagged with very sharp spikes, which they didn't expect to see. So there's a problem with the spacecraft landing to get the samples to begin with. Now we'll see what's going to happen with that. But in the meantime, it's expelling material. Images that were sent back from OSIRIS-REx has stunned scientists this week after it shows the asteroid flinging off these objects into space. The navigation cameras on OSIRIS-REx captured 3 bizarre eruptions. They were each spewing about 100 centimeter-sized asteroid particles into space. When they first saw the images, the researchers thought that there were lights and stars in the background, but they were the bright flecks of what was being emitted. They quickly realized that the material was 10 centimeter wide objects being spewed from BENNU's surface. NASA researchers labeled these episodes particle ejection events. And the reason behind the surprising volatile asteroid remains unclear. Dante Loretta, principal investigator of the OSIRIS-REx mission, professor of planetary science and cosmochemistry, University of Arizona, spoke about this, and he said, "Among BENNU's many surprises, the particle ejection sparked our curiosity, and we spent the last several months investigating this mystery. This is a great opportunity to expand our knowledge of how asteroids behave." An astronomer of the University of Arizona, Carl Hagenrother, scientist who proposed BENNU as a target for OSIRIS-REx, said, "No one has ever seen an active asteroid up close like this." It wasn't that long ago that the conventional wisdom was that asteroids are these dead bodies that didn't change very much, and what we're seeing is something we would never have been able to see from the ground. So the question is, that is still in our minds, is that are we seeing the lower intensity process that is similar to what happens on other active asteroids? Or is this something entirely different? If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.